If you set goals on a job, you may want to turn on the recovery pace feature. So let's look at a job that has goals set up. We're going to go into the job and press open. And we see here on this particular job, the goal is to put in 2,000 square feet of concrete. We want to do it in 500 hours. Current pace right now is 37.38 hours per square foot. We know that they're behind, but how fast do they have to go per hour in order to catch up? If you come up here, go into settings, go to tracking, show recovery pace, and press save. Now let's go back to that same job, and you'll see here now that they have to install 41.51 square feet per hour in order to catch up with the goals. Now that recovery pace is also shown to the people out in the field in their timekeeping as well.